Hi everyone, join me and let me show you an easy way to draw your eyebrow. No more spending 30 minutes to an hour on them again after watching this video.
Alex Epps.
So I started with spoolie brush. I use the spoolie brush to brush out my natural brow hair before I dive in with pencil. So I use a light hand to draw a soft outline starting from the middle of my brow. I extend the line slowly towards the tail, following my natural brow shape. Then after that, I move up to my upper brow line. I do the same thing with it. I started from the middle, slowly down to the arc, down to the tail. So I lightly fill in sparse area with small hairline strokes using my brow pencil. So it's time to define my brow. So I go in with the angle brush and the concealer. The concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin, so I use the angle brush to touch small. I didn't use much. So here am I dividing my brow. I started from the middle. I'm doing it slowly. You need to do this one at this point. You need to do everything gently. You don't need to rush for you to get. So watch closely as I'm divining it.
Think about me cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Holding his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when you hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you.
So to divide my upper brow, I use a small straight flat brush to divide my upper brow. And I do that one. I'm doing that one gently. I'm doing it slowly. I didn't rush. So I started from the middle to the arc, and I'm doing it slowly. If you watch closely, you will see the way I'm doing it. And I'm even looking straight to the mirror in front of me to check out what I'm doing. So I did the same thing to my other brow, and trust me, if you apply this process, you are going to be drawing your brow with ease. So yeah, am I looking into the mirror to check out if I'm on track? Yeah, yes, I'm on track. And yeah, I even use the bottom of the brush to check out if the tail is at where it's supposed to be. Did you see the way? And then after I go in with the blending, I use this fluffy round brush to blend in the excess concealer. To blend in the excess concealer, please, if you find this video helpful, kindly drop down a comment and give this video a like. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.